to find someone on WeChat by phone number. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add someone by phone number on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open WeChat application on your device. Once you reach to this page, here at the top you will see plus icon. Click on that plus icon next to search icon. Then some options will pop up. Here click on add contacts. Before that, make sure you have saved that phone number on your contact list, and only if the person has the WeChat account it will be displayed in your WeChat list. Now on this page, here click on mobile contact and you will be presented with the people having WeChat ID from your contacts. Now to add them, click on that add button and click on this send button below. Now a friend request will be sent to that person. So in this way you can add someone by phone number on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.